relating it to Christianity, are we considered to be a conqueror? Insofar as I know my brethren in Christ, we are more than conquerors. From the beginning, a Christian life is already a more than conqueror. What are some of our evidences based on the Bible that prove that we are more than conquerors? First, in Matthew chapter 5, beginning from verse 11 until 12, Christ said, that's the first sermon on the mount. Christ said, blessed are ye when people will say things against you and people will persecute you, because yours will be the kingdom of heaven. So here, Christ is admonishing his hearers to be what we call to be blessed. The term there is blessed, meaning you must be happy when somebody will persecute you or hate you or say things that is against you, because yours will be the kingdom of heaven. So you are more than a conqueror when you when you are being persecuted. Who can surpass? Who can overcome that that persecution? It's you in your life. Number two, when Christ selected his apostles based on Matthew chapter 10, my brethren, he said that there are so many things that will come to your life. Yeah. Many things that will come, many things that will persecute you, many things that will hate you. They will sue you to the court. You will see each other in court in front of Judge Judy. You are watching that? Judge Judy, Judge Alex, or Judge Matis on television. Yeah. Many will persecute you. But again, in verse 22 and 23, he said, he that endureth until the end shall be saved. And that is what we call the quality of being a conqueror. If you will endure those persecutions in your life, you will be saved. That is based on Matthew chapter 10. Third, in Matthew 24, he mentioned about what we call problems in the future, he said. In Matthew 24, that pertains to what we call to the destruction of Jerusalem. There are so many famines, there are so many wars, there are so many